Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin privileges. Sign into an administrator account now so changes stick. Once signed in, open Start and go straight to Settings, then Update and Security. From there, select Windows Security and click Open Windows Security to access system protections. Make sure to pick Firewall and Network Protection. This is where Windows Firewall settings live. You're doing this to stop real-time filtering by the built-in firewall. Proceed deliberately so you can reverse the change if needed later. Once you're in Firewall and Network Protection, select the network profile that's currently active, private, public, or domain, because each has its own switch. Toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall to off for that profile. Windows will warn you about increased risk. If the firewall appears to remain active, open Services. MSC. Find Windows Defender Firewall, right-click, choose Properties, and set Startup Type to Disabled, then stop the service. Doing both ensures the GUI and service layer are both disabled. Now verify the firewall is off. Return to Windows Security and confirm the profile shows Firewall off, and double-check Services. MSC that the service is stopped. If it re-enables, make sure no group policy object forces it on, run gpedit. MSC or ask your network admin, and also check third-party antivirus suites that can manage Windows Firewall. Once done, restart the PC to ensure changes persist. If anything goes wrong, re-enable the firewall immediately to restore protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.